Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the 2025 guide on how to track your coding learning progress in Airtable. This is a fantastic tool to keep your learning organized and monitor your growth, so let's get started. First things first, you need to set up an Airtable base. Visit airtable.com, sign up if you haven't already, and click on Add a Base. Choose Start from Scratch. Name it something like Coding Learning Tracker. The reason we do this is because Airtable is like an advanced spreadsheet that allows you to create databases. By creating a base, you're starting your personalized coding tracker. Now that we've done that, let's add some tables. Click on plus and name your first table Languages. This is where you will track the programming languages you're learning. Next, add another table and call it Projects. This is for all the coding projects you're working on. Having separate tables helps to categorize your learning and keep track of different aspects of your progress. Next up, we'll add fields. In the Languages table, add fields like language, start date, progress, and resources. In the Projects table, add fields like project name, language used, start date, end date, and status. This helps us because fields are like columns in a spreadsheet. They store specific types of information. By customizing fields, you're tailoring your tracker to your needs. Now, let's populate your tables with data. Add the programming languages you're learning, the projects you're working on, and relevant details in their respective fields. This information is the backbone of your tracker. It's what you'll update as you progress in your learning journey, allowing you to see how far you've come. The final step is to create views. Click on Grid View and add a new view. Name it Progress Tracker, and set filters to show only the languages or projects you're currently working on. This matters because views let you see a subset of your data that meets certain criteria. They provide a focused snapshot of your learning at any given point. And there you have it, a coding learning tracker in Airtable. A quick wrap-up. We've created a base, added tables and fields, populated them with data, and created views to track our progress. By keeping this tracker updated, you'll be able to monitor your coding learning journey, pinpoint areas of improvement, and celebrate your achievements. Remember, the key is consistency. The more accurate and up-to-date your tracker, the better you can manage your learning. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!